Volume increase. Where is my?
दिल अपने फिर थामे आया हूँ लेकर मैं फिर कितने हंगामे
Hello. Hello people, welcome to JNC News Hour. On this panel tonight, we have 4 participants who will debate about giving good governance to JNC as they are getting ready for the most awaited stud rep elections, also known as the Great JNC Tamasha. Let me introduce to you our participants who have kindly agreed to get thrashed by me tonight. The first one is apparently from the Gandhi family. He is the unofficial stud rep candidate for Long Race Party. He is publicly respected as Mama's boy gone dumb. But I have interviewed him before in the show and I know he's not dumb. No pun intended here. The slogan for Long Race is Har Hath Masters, Har Hath PhD. Let's welcome Mr. Mallu Gandhi.
This is the future, man.
Please don't cry, Mr. Gandhi. I have a lollipop for you. The second candidate is a fierce debater from BJP, that is Bachelor's Jobless Party. She's confident that her party's candidate, Nonsense Moody, will sail through to top post of stud reps because of the so-called Moody wave. However, the researchers in JNC disagree. Some of them believe that Moody has dual nature of wave as well as particle. The slogan for this party is Sabki Aas PhD Ho Fast. Let's welcome Miss Meenakshi Lekhi.
Meenakshi, one second. 1 minute, please. She said something. I just want to speak one-on-one to Meenakshi. What did she say? Repeat yourself.
You have got money from the losses for your channel. You have got money from the losses for your channel. You have got money from the losses for your channel. You have got money from the losses for your channel. Yes, I use these words. I use.
Our third candidate is from the party of the Rising Sun, DMK, that is Dada Mama Kaka. His entire family is represented in this party. He enjoys a huge support from the Dosa and Fortran loving families of JNC. He can well be a kingmaker or a spoiler. Let's welcome one and only Mr. Rajni Karunanidhi.
This is the tribute to Talaiwa. थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना की जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मुझको तो थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के All the Rajni fans, don't miss that chance. All the Rajni fans, don't miss that chance. Lungi dance, 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 lungi dance.
Last but not the least, the second most important person in today's program, the first obviously being me, the real Aam Aadmi from AAP. AAP means Anti-Energy, Anti-Matter Party. They want to be called this because they are anti to everything. They say the theory of conversion from matter to energy and vice versa is a major scam in the history of science. They've got admission only last year, but their popularity is a major threat to students who have been doing PhD for more than 7 years. The slogan of anti-energy, anti-matter party is, if it doesn't matter, does it anti-matter? I leave it for the high IQ people here to understand the slogan of Aam Aadmi. Let's welcome one and only Sir Ravindra Kejriwal.
नमस्कार, मैं ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूँ।
ਅੱਜ ਰਾਸਤੇ ਰੁਕਣ ਦੋ ਸਲੋਗਨ ਸ਼ੋਗਨ ਚੱਲਣ ਦੋ ਜਨਤਾ ਦਾ ਪੈਗ ਲਗਾ ਕੇ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਨੂੰ ਬੋਲਣ ਦੋ ਧਰਨਾ all night ਧਰਨਾ all night ਧਰਨਾ all night we do धरना all night चलो सारे दिल्ली वालों जितना भी तुम जोर लगा लो करेंगे धरना सारी रात में दम है तो बंद करवा लो धरना all night धरना all night धरना all night we do धरना all night
Mr. Kejriwal, I hope you are not on a dharna here. The debate is there.
Yes, we are in dharna.
Okay,
We
is
are
there
not the last slot. We are always unprivileged people. We are on dharna. I'm not going from here.
It's okay. We'll discuss this after the debate. Can you please
Okay,
come and have a
I'm
sit
on dharna
there?
in hostel office tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll support you definitely. Please come back.
लगाते रहो जिसने भी धरना है करना आ जाओ रेल भवन पोस्टर लगाकर खाने को है लाठी कैनन मट
Okay, now that everyone is in position, now before I start my debate, let me put down the ground rules for today's show. First and foremost, I am always right. Second, I won't go easy on you. So even if you don't like my questions, Mr. Kejriwal, hope you're listening, you can't sit on a dharna against me.
I can.
Third, there will not be any coffee hampers for participating in this debate. The Cultural Committee of JNC has even refused to give a single juice coupon at utility. So you are on your own.
Arnav, thanks for calling me here. First of all, I would like to tell your viewers that we are the ones who introduced RTI here, so that everybody can go to JNC hostel office and find out whether their mess bill is right or not. We have empowered women of JNC. So we have empowered the women of JNC so they can easily work on any problem such as cooking food for Drosophila, collecting blood from fellow JNC mates for their
Mr. Gandhi,
lab purpose.
Mr. Gandhi, will you
Yeah.
please shut up?
No, I can't
Don't
shut
dare to
up.
speak until I
I've
ask you
learned
to.
everything from my Dadima. You can't make me shut up.
Shut up, Mr. Kejriwal. I want pin drop silence here.
All right, all right.
Okay. Gandhi. Oops, I'm sorry. Mr. Gandhi, you speak about RTI.
Yeah.
One second. I forgot my pen. Yeah, here it is. You speak about RTI, but what about rampant corruption that's going on in this mess? What about the pathetic food quality?
Yes.
What do you think about it?
To know what Mallu Gandhi thinks, you need to know what Mallu Gandhi thinks. Mallu Gandhi thinks that it is because we empowered the women who works in JNC mess that you get nice chapatis. We have put complaint boxes there. We have improved the connectivity in the mess so that you can call at any time and find out what is being served there.
Mr. Gandhi, please, don't try to divert from the main issue. This is a very simple 2-mark question, not a 5-mark question.
Tell me,
So answer to the point.
what is the question?
Who
Tell
is
me.
responsible for the bad food in the mess, if not you?
Well, I'll tell you one thing. It is because Mallu Gandhi has empowered the cats in the JNC. There are a lot of kittens running around
Mr.
here.
Gandhi, please stop this nonsense.
No, it is not nonsense.
Please, of course it is.
It is
I
not.
don't think you understand the question.
Okay, tell me again the next.
So I'll ask you a very simple question.
Yeah, tell me.
लोग क्लोरोमेंट क्यों खाते हैं?
I've not discussed this question with my mom.
Thank you.
So I can't answer it. I'll think about it. I'll think about it.
Thank you very much. Mr. Kejriwal,
Yes.
you were a mess committee member for 49 years before you resigned to run for state rep elections. Tell me who is responsible for such tasteless food in the mess? Mr. Kejriwal, you want some cough syrup?
नहीं जी, मैं तो अदरक और दालचीनी की चाय पीता हूँ. अर्नब जी, हम कौन हैं? हम कौन हैं? हम आम आदमी हैं। हम इस जेएनसी की दबी कुचली जनता हैं। हम क्या चाहते हैं? हम क्या चाहते हैं कि खाने के लिए 2 टाइम रोटी मिल जाए जो पापड़ जैसी ना हो। हम क्या चाहते हैं कि सुबह जब हम बाथरूम जाए तो गर्म पानी मिले। हम चाहते हैं कि 24 घंटे का इंटरनेट हो ताकि हम फेसबुकिंग कर सकें। हम चाहते हैं कि हम जब दिन भर लैब से थक हार के वापस आए तो कोई 2 मीठी बातें करने वाली कोई जोड़ी मिले। ये बेसिक नीड्स पूरी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। ये नहीं, मेरी बात सुनिए आप मुझे चुप नहीं करा सकते। ये बेसिक नीड्स पूरी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। 1 मिनट, जब आदमी सुबह सोकर उठता है तो बाथरूम जाता है, उसको आस होती है वहां गर्म पानी मिलेगा। गर्म पानी पाइप में तो होता है जी, लेकिन नल से नहीं आता। यही तो स्कैम है, यही तो स्कैम है। आप ब्लॉक 1 के आदमी को देखिए, ब्लॉक 1 की जनता को देखिए, उनको हमेशा गर्म पानी आता है। क्यों आता है? क्योंकि वो हॉस्टल ऑफिस से मिले हुए हैं। ब्लॉक 4 की जनता को, ब्लॉक 4 के स्टूडेंट्स को गर्म पानी नहीं आता। इनकी आवाज कौन सुनेगा? ये आम आदमी है। हम इसके लिए आवाज उठाएंगे और हम इसके लिए लड़के रहेंगे।
Mr. Trademark Muffler and Topi, don't try to fool me. I have been fooled so many times, so I know what getting fooled is. And I'm warning you, don't try to steal the limelight from me tonight. This is my show. How dare you speak for such a long time in the show without any interruption? That is not fair. For our English audience who don't understand Hindi, I'll translate to you what Mr. Kejriwal just said. Mr. Kejriwal said, if you want to make a good impression in front of your guide, you should wake up early in the morning and go and take bath and then go to the lab. If your guide is not in town, you can go to lab without taking bath. Now, Mr. Kejriwal, you still have not answered my question. I'll ask you directly. When you were in MESCOM, why didn't you try to improve the quality of the food in the mess?
किया था जी, हमने किया था। ये सब जानते हैं, हमने किया था।
नहीं किया।
जब हम 49 दिन मेस में थे ना, तो हमने कहा था अगर आपको कभी भी मेस का खाना खराब लगे तो आप फेंकना मत। अब खाते रहना और खाते खाते अपने चेहरे की एक स्टिंग वीडियो बना लेना, स्टिंग वीडियो बना के हमें भेजना। हमने एक हेल्पलाइन चालू करी। ये बोलते हैं ना कांग्रेस वाले, इन्होंने मोबाइल रिवॉल्यूशन लाया। हमने हेल्पलाइन चालू करी। हमने बोला कि आप वो वीडियो भेजना। अब देखना 24 घंटे के अंदर अंदर वो मीनू में से हटता है कि नहीं हटता है। लेकिन ये कांग्रेस और ये बीजेपी वाले ये सब मिले हुए हैं। ये नहीं चाहते कि कोई भी खराब मीनू में से हटे। ये सब इनकी साजिश है। मेरी बात सुनिए, मेरी बात सुनिए। चंद्रिया वाले डोसा बनाते हैं कि नहीं बनाते हैं? चंद्रिया वाले डोसा बनाते हैं कि नहीं बनाते हैं? फिर उनका डोसा अच्छा क्यों होता है और हमारा डोसा खराब क्यों होता है मेस में? ये सब इनकी साजिश है। एक सेकंड, जब हम गवर्नमेंट में थे, जब हम मेस कमेटी में थे, एक रिपोर्ट आई थी, ट्रांसपेरेंसी इंटरनेशनल बोर्ड की एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उसने कहा था कि मेस का खाना 50% अच्छा हो गया है। कि किसने किया था? हमने किया था, हमने किया था। ये हम लोगों को आज बताना चाहते हैं।
Kejriwal, you're not answering my question. Instead, you're blaming Congress and BJP. That's not going to help here. You're behaving not like a seasoned politician. For a non-Hindi audience, I'll translate it what Mr. Kejriwal just said. Mr. Kejriwal says that there's a big difference between idli and dosa. If you want good idli, you should go to Veena stores in Malleshwaram. However, if you want to enjoy good dosa, you should go to MTR near Lal Bagh. Anyway, now I'll ask my next question to Mr. Karunanidhi. You have worked with Congress for a long time before your corrupt mess member Raja was caught. What you have to say regarding this mess issue?
என் இனிய மக்களே, அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம்.
Mr. Karunanidhi,
நம் சகோதரர்
Mr. Karunanidhi, this is my show. Here you can't speak in Tamil or in Fortran. You'll have to speak either in English or Hindi. Do you know English?
I can walk English, talk English, experiments in English, simulations in English, and publish in English. I have written over 100 research papers in English.
But you published just one paper. That's what Google Scholar says.
Now, one paper published per now.
Mr. Karunanidhi, please have your seat. So, Mr. Karunanidhi, what about the scam?
Well, the charges against Raja are completely baseless and politically motivated. I mean, everyone make peanuts. Party against corruption in the mess, especially when it comes to creation of dosa. Nowadays, dosa tastes like chapati and sambar is tasting like some Punjabi curry. We are the only ones who have been fighting against it.
Mr. Karunanidhi, what about the great cat bin scam? When cat-free dustbins were introduced in JNC student hostel, you said no cat will be able to topple these bins, but every night you find these bins on the floor. What is your answer to that question?
Mr. Arnab, you must first understand one thing. The cats, they are the original inhabitants of the land. Just because you invaded this land and took away something which rightfully belonged, the voices can be silenced. So what did we do? We just brought different plastic waste. Why did we do this? We did this so that cats can easily identify and they don't have to search through all our waste for the tiny morsels of food. We just wanted to make sure that no food is wasted in JNC and no one from our community goes to sleep hungry. This is because we believe in inclusive growth and sustainable development.
Mr. Karunanidhi, we are not debating about any invasion theory here.
Arnab,
You should
मुझे कुछ कहना है,
just hold
मुझे कुछ कहना
on.
है।
You should explain the reason why the contract for supplying and managing waste was awarded to Rising Sun Waste Management Services.
अर्नब जी मुझे कुछ कहना है। ये जेएनसी के इतिहास का है। ये चूहा भी गिरा देता है उसको। इसका हिसाब कौन देगा? ये सबसे बड़ा स्कैम है।
Arnab, this is all about empowerment of cats. They are the minority community in JNC. They have every right for every food that is being produced here. Don't you think so?
No.
They have every right.
You can't do this.
No, they have every right.
In the name of right, you can't.
This is my show. Okay, you have to listen to what I am saying. What was that? Miss Lekhi. Miss Lekhi. Miss Lekhi, are you sleeping? You are not supposed to lose interest in my show. And this is not some thesis defense from the EMU department. This is my show. This is Arnab's show.
I'm so sorry, Arnab.
Yes, Miss Lekhi, you should be sorry. Now, if you're back in your senses, my question to you, Miss Lekhi, what is your propaganda for the upcoming student rep elections?
Arnab, we have a 2-point agenda. First, development. Second, further development of development. If we are voted to power, we will provide 24/7 internet connection in the hostel. There will be you can forget the shuttle service, and we will build a flyover from our hostel to NVSH, and moreover we will restore internet speed of 10 gigabytes per second as demanded by a few researchers.
Miss Lekhi, you talk about development. You claim about 10 gigabyte per second speed. Please, the technology available. Moreover, there's also another allegation that you are not being fair to every unit in JNC.
Don't talk to me about fairness, Arnab. To be politically correct, I don't even use that racist Fair and Lovely cream. Anyway,
She is not fair to EMU.
please allow me to speak. Anyway, coming back to this issue of fairness. Where is the fairness when in Chandraya canteen students are charged more for food compared to the staff and faculty? They are not even allowed to avail half meals. Bilkul, and this is very evident by looking at the pot bellies of all the students and people around here. And where is the fairness when JNC shuttle services wait exclusively for faculty beyond their scheduled time?
Miss Lekhi, you're running away from the real issue that's being debated here. Can you tell me why Complab is blocking so many websites? How can you curb individual freedom of choice by imposing so many restrictions on the students?
Arnab, Complab is being fair and just by blocking these web services for everybody on campus. And let me remind you, internet access to websites is not a right. It's a privilege. Exactly. And if you cannot appreciate your privileges, then you might want to give titles to themselves like Sir Ravindra Kejriwal and Honorable Security Officers, etc.
Miss Lekhi, don't you think you are defending an extremely conservative system here?
Conservative? Are you joking, Mr. Goswami? Our schemes are far ahead of our times.
1 minute, Miss Lekhi.
No,
One minute.
Arnab, you let me explain. By blocking all the access to websites, we are controlling the distressfully focused research work. Eat, pray, love is what eat, pray, love research is what we stand by. And by limiting access to all these distractions like having a social life, extracurricular activities, sports, gym, etc. rounded students.
डेवलपमेंट की बात करते हैं जी, डेवलपमेंट की बात करते हैं। मैं गया था इनके कॉम्प लैब में, मैं गया था जहां के लोग यहां का वाईफाई मैनेज करते हैं। एक 10 MB की फाइल डाउनलोड करने में मुझे 2 घंटे लगे। ये स्पीड देंगे 10 Gbps की, 0.1 kbps की स्पीड नहीं है इनकी। ये क्या देंगे हमें इंटरनेट की स्पीड? मैं गया था इनके पास। ये है ना, या देख रहे हैं आप, ये 16 क्वेश्चंस हैं, मैं लेके गया था इनके पास। आप बताइए, आप इनका उत्तर दीजिए। यहाँ स्पीड स्लो क्यों है, वेबसाइट ब्लॉक क्यों है? इनके पास कोई जवाब नहीं था।
Arnab,
जवाब नहीं देना चाहते ये।
Arnab, have Comlab apologize for the network hijack that happened in 2012. Everybody's username and password was available on internet. Everybody got to know what is my password. It was I love you mama. Have they apologized for that?
I don't understand this. Why should every single debate come back to 2012 and Complab? Have people apologized for spamming our emails with spectroscope not working? Emails and lost and found property. They have sent us emails that they have lost chappals, bangles, lockets, mobile phone chargers, pencils, I don't know what. Have they apologized for that? No. Everything comes back to Complab, which is working fine, which does a good job in helping restoring the email services and in clearing spam. But you always accuse the Complab. I don't understand why.
ये बोलते हैं ना कि ये इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया ईमेल सर्वर को स्टोर करके।
हाँ।
इनसे पूछिए कि जो हमारी इंफॉर्मेशन वेबसाइट्स ब्लॉक हो गए हैं, जिनके चलते हमारा रिसर्च खराब हो रहा है, उसका हिसाब कौन देगा? इनसे पूछिए आप। इनको जो लिंक्स पसंद नहीं आते, इनको जो वेबसाइट पसंद नहीं आते, या तो उनको ब्लॉक कर देते हैं या फिर उनकी बैंडविड्थ लो कर देते हैं। यही इनकी पॉलिसी है।
Yes, Miss Lekhi, you have not yet convinced me. See, for instance, I can't open IMDb, I can't open Ghana.com. Even our own Times Now website is blocked. Is this the way JNC will run? Is this freedom of expression for you? Aren't you being a dictator here?
This is completely wrong and baseless. We have not blocked any educational website. There is a complaint forum in place where you can put in your grievances. And if you think we have unjustly blocked any website, you can write to the Complab and they immediately restore it.
Miss Lekhi, I'm extremely sorry, but I have to disagree with what you're saying. Your policy of blocking websites in JNC is extremely unfair.
No, Arnab, we are extremely transparent with what is best for JNC. I do not agree with you. No, Mr. Arnab.
Miss Lekhi, just
no, Goswami, no.
Miss Lekhi, let me complete my question. Then you can say what you want.
No, Arnab. You can
Lekhi,
say what you want. I will also say what you want.
Miss Lekhi,
I just have one thing to ask.
Miss Lekhi.
Arnab, why are you taking their side again and again? I think you have got lateral entry into MESCOM from AAP.
Excuse me. Hold on, shut up. What did you just say? One second. I want to deal with this right now. Put me one-on-one with Miss Lekhi. Miss Lekhi, what did you just say? Repeat what you just said.
I don't have to repeat myself. You can repeat the CD.
Miss Lekhi, you said something about backdoor entry. Please say what you're trying to say.
Obviously, if you keep saying Complab, if you keep accusing me, I will also accuse you back. I will also use the same language. Yes, I did say that if you say Complab, then you are getting an offer from AAP for backdoor entry into MESCOM. Yes, I used these words. I did.
Miss Lekhi, let me just tell you one thing. Never ever says something as ridiculous as this. My friends in JNC know me, my lab mates know me, the girls of JNC, well, they'll know me from tonight, I guess. No, I don't want to drag this issue any further. Mr. Karunanidhi, what is your election manifesto for the upcoming student rep elections?
The students should vote for the rising sun if they wanted hot water early in the morning. If voted to power, we are going to bring in 365 kinds of dosas for the 365 days. And we are going to offer free color TVs for each hostel room so that the advisors can directly broadcast instructions. But most importantly, in this day and age, when our culture and language are attacked by C++ and MATLAB and all these recent trends which are detrimental to research, we as a party stand to fight for, to protect and to preserve the sanctity of Fortran 77, the oldest and greatest programming language.
मैं बोलूं
Yes,
ये जो लैंग्वेज की दीवार है ना, ये जो बोलते हैं ना C++, फोर्ट्रान, जावा एंड सी शार्प और क्या क्या, ये सब इनकी साजिश है वोट बैंक को बांटने की। ये C++ वाला फोर्ट्रान को पसंद नहीं करेगा, फोर्ट्रान वाला जावा को वोट नहीं करेगा, लिनक्स वाला विंडोज को वोट नहीं करेगा, विंडोज वाला मैक को वोट नहीं करेगा। ये सब इनकी साजिश है, ये लोगों को बांटना चाहते हैं। हमसे पूछिए, हमारी कोई ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम नहीं है, हमें जो जैसा ऑपरेट करता हम वैसा ही हो लेते हैं, हम बिल्कुल ट्रांसपेरेंट है। ये जो लैंग्वेज की दीवार है ये इनकी खड़ी हुई है।
Mr. Kejriwal, you are the biggest hypocrite that I have ever seen. You say that you do not favor either Windows or Linux, but you and all your followers use Linux. What do you have to say to this?
नहीं, आपको समझना पड़ेगा मिस लेखी, हम कौन हैं? हम आम आदमी हैं। हमारे पास इतने पैसे नहीं है कि हम विंडोज का लाइसेंस खरीद सकें, हमारे पास इतने पैसे नहीं है कि हम जाके एंटीवायरस में पैसे खर्च सकें, हमारे पास इतने पैसे नहीं है कि माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस, वर्ड, पावर पॉइंट, एडोब और बाकी सारी चीजें खरीद सकें। लेकिन और तो और आप लोगों ने तो टॉरेंट ही ब्लॉक कर दिया है, हम चाहें तो उसका ट्रायल भी डाउनलोड नहीं कर सकते। मिस लेखी, आप जो ये मुझ पर आरोप लगा रही है बिल्कुल गलत है। हमारे पास पैसे नहीं, हम खरीद नहीं सकते। लेकिन इन लोगों से पूछिए, इनके पास जो भी पूछेगा विंडोज, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, C++, सबके लाइसेंस इनकी पॉकेट में भरे पड़े, इनके जेबों में है। माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के दलाल हैं ये, बिल गेट्स के दलाल हैं ये।
Mr. Kejriwal, please mind your language. Do not talk to me like that.
Hey, Lekhi, language is just a state of mind.
But the classical divine Fortran is a true state of mind.
अरे इनसे क्या बहस करना जी, इन सबसे क्या डिबेट करना। ये तो रिसर्च के नाम पे लोगों को मूर्ख बनाते हैं। ये बोलते हैं हम गेम थ्योरी पे काम कर रहे हैं। किसी को गेम दिखा उसमें आज तक? बताइए, गेम थ्योरी में किसी को गेम दिखा? हमने पूछा था इनसे, ये बोले कि हम ड्रोसोफिला में दिमाग खोज रहे हैं, ड्रोसोफिला में ये दिमाग खोज रहे हैं। आज तक हमें कोई दिमाग नहीं दिखा। उनको बोला ये डिबेट में हमसे डिबेट करेंगे, उनके पास ड्रोसोफिला के पास दिमाग है। तो और ये CPMU वाले बेचारे मर के 10 पेपर लाते हैं तो उनको PhD मिलती है। ये EMU वाले बिना किसी पेपर के PhD ले लेते हैं। स्कैम नहीं है तो क्या है? दूसरी बात ये EMU वाले ये क्या बोलते हैं कि हम क्लाउड सिमुलेट कर रहे हैं, हम लेबोरेटरी में बादल बना रहे हैं। तो इतनी गर्मी क्यों होती है दिन भर? इनसे पूछिए, इनकी इतनी गर्मी क्यों लगती है? बारिश क्यों नहीं करा पाते?
Mr. Kejriwal,
एक मिनट, आप
Mr.
बोलते हैं
Kejriwal, more than that.
நான் எப்ப வருவேன் எப்படி வருவேன்னு யாருக்கும் தெரியாது, ஆனா எப்ப வரணுமோ அப்போ கரெக்டா வந்துருவேன்.
Well, I don't understand Tamil or Fortran, so I don't know what he was trying to say. So let's see what Miss Inakshi Lekhi has to say.
एक गरम चाय की प्याली हो, बीजेपी को वोट देने वाली हो।
Well, that wasn't impressive. Mr. Mallu Gandhi, what do you have to say?
मेरे पास माँ है, आपके पास क्या है?
आपको हराना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है। आप जीत कर रहेगी।
Okay, so who is going to win this election? To know the verdict, join me in the Great JNC Tamasha Season 2.
Arnab,
Till then,
I
yes,
have one
Mr.
question.
Gandhi.
लोग क्लोरामिन क्यों खाते हैं?
I'm sorry,
लोग क्लोरामिन क्यों खाते?
can you please stand up and ask the question again?
लोग क्लोरामिन क्यों खाते हैं?
दोबारा मत पूछना।
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। देखो देखो है शाम